Moving on now, BSP Chief Mayawati has once again come to the rescue of the UPA government. Now, 2 days after the government secured the vote for FDI in multi-brand retail in the Lok Sabha, the debate continued in Rajya Sabha. And in a surprising move, Mayawati has this time decided to vote in favor of the government on the floor of the upper house, making his arch-rival Mulayam Singh Yadav Samajwadi Party's support irrelevant. Mulayam Singh Yadav said that the SP will stage a walkout of Rajya Sabha and will in turn abstain from voting. This will ensure that the government will clear the half-mark obstacle in the upper house as well.
खास बातों को ध्यान में रखने के साथ साथ केंद्र सरकार की वर्तमान एफडीआई की नीति में इस प्लस पॉइंट को भी ध्यान में रखकर अर्थात केंद्र सरकार की खुदरा बाजार के क्षेत्र में वर्तमान एफडीआई की नीति को देश के किसी भी राज्य में जबरन थोपा नहीं जाएगा। ऐसी स्थिति में इस प्लस पॉइंट को भी ध्यान में रखकर अब हमारी पार्टी ने कल यह राज्यसभा में केंद्र सरकार के पक्ष में ही वोट देने का फैसला लिया। हमारी पार्टी के बारे में हमारी पार्टी के मुख्य नेतृत्व के बारे में या राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व के बारे में जो कुछ उन्होंने भाषा इस्तेमाल की है, जैसे एक लोमड़ी होती है कि जब उसको कुछ नहीं मिला तो अंगूर खट्टे हैं, अर्थात हमारी पार्टी सांप्रदायिक ताकतों पर अपने धर्मनिरपेक्षता का रंग तो जरूर चढ़ा सकती है, लेकिन उनका रंग कभी भी अपने पर नहीं चढ़ने देगी।
जो सरकार 253 के आंकड़े को जीत मान ले, वो राजनीतिक जीत नहीं होती। आफ्टर दैट फिगर यू आर अ लेम डक गवर्नमेंट. You are dependent on support which is a very costly support. And every day you will have to pay a price for that support. जब 272 का आंकड़ा आप छू नहीं सकते लोकसभा में, तो इस सरकार की रहबरी के ऊपर बहुत बड़े प्रश्न चिन्ह लग रहे हैं।
हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार इस बारे में गंभीरता से सोचे और ये निर्णय अब ना ले। ये अपने हित में नहीं है, अपनी देश की अर्थव्यवस्था के हित में नहीं है। एंड इसी वजह से हमारा ये मानना है कि आज इस निर्णय का हम विरोध करेंगे।
Okay, so yesterday was a very riveting debate, but Supriya Srinath, the policy editor, joins in then to get us more details on what is to be expected from the voting that's going to happen in the Rajya Sabha today.
You know what Mayawati really has done is she's not just thrown her weight behind the UPA at this stage and decided to vote with the FDI, despite very, very vehemently opposing it just 2 days back in a press conference herself, and 2 of her MPs opposing it in Lok Sabha just yesterday. She's decided she's going to throw her weight behind the FDI and multi-brand retail rule. Her 15 MPs will vote on the floor of the House in favor of this. What she's really done in turn is she's stumped Mulayam Singh Yadav completely. So from the SP saying that they will vote against FDI and multi-brand retail in the upper house of parliament, the 9 MPs will now stage a walkout, which essentially means they will abstain. They will bring down the halfway mark in the Rajya Sabha to 117. The government has just those numbers. 117 is what the government has in favor of FDI and multi-brand retail. They are 105 against it. So even in the Rajya Sabha, the government will sail through. The Rescue Act once again coming in from Mayawati and Mulayam. It looks like the quota reservation bill has been a deal clincher with Mayawati, and because she's done the Rescue Act, I don't think any choice was left for Mulayam Singh Yadav, her very, very bitter rival from Uttar Pradesh. He's had to bail out the government at one level. He cannot be seen voting with the communal forces like he said in the Lok Sabha. In this case, after saying it on record that they will vote against FDI and multi-brand retail, they've now changed their minds. They will abstain. They will stage a walkout.